What's up guys? Good day to all of you and thanks for choosing this video. This tutorial will teach you how to set up and how to use the Ultra VNC. What is Ultra VNC and how to use it? This application is almost the same function with TeamViewer. It is able to use to remote with other PC or server. But there is a difference between the two applications. The VNC has no indication during connected to another PC. Example, when the PC1 is connected to the PC2 via VNC, the owner of the PC2 have no idea that PC1 is remotely connected unless the PC1 will move the cursor and make an activity on the PC. Also, VNC has a view-only option. I will show the details later. First, I need to download the application. Just follow me if you want, guys. Select the latest app. I select Ultra VNC 1240 MSI X64 because my operating system is 64-bit. If the PC or laptop is 32-bit, just select MSI X86. That's the right one for 32-bit. Just check the I accept, then click download. I need to install the app on my PC. Click next and I agree. I need to right click the VNC icon, then select admin properties. I set the password Mio. I need to open my Windows 7 virtual machine to show you the connection between my host PC to VM. Guys, consider my Windows 7 VM as other physical desktop because it is almost the same capabilities. I need to copy the installer of BNC inside my Win7 virtual machine. I will do it via network connection. I installed the BNC inside my VM, the same installation process with my host PC. Just right-click the icon of BNC, then click Admin Properties. Set a password for both BNC and view only. For me, I chose Mio. No problem to set the same or different password. Just hit yes if this will appear to allow the program. I tried to remote my VM using Ultra BNC Viewer. Oops, I forgot to allow BNC to the Windows firewall. This is one of the requirements to be able to use the BNC. I will show you how doing it. Find the Ultra BNC. If no BNC in the list, just click Allow another program. Click either Program Files or Program Files x86. Just find UBNC BBBA folder. Add BNC viewer. Add also WinBNC. Please make sure that home or work for both is checked. I will try to remote my VM using Ultra BNC viewer. Type the password. In my opinion, the Ultra BNC performance is slower than TeamViewer. If you want a smooth connection, I recommend to use TeamViewer. But the Ultra BNC are also good remote tool. I try to use BNC view only mode. Click show options. Go to mouse and keyboard tab. Then check the view only, no input. Then click connect. Type the password Mio. If you want to know the computer or internet activity of your son, Ultra BNC is perfect to use for spying him. BNC can screenshot or capture while connected to someone's PC. Imagine if this Windows 7 as your son PC, he did not know that someone remote or spying on his activity. Please do not use the Ultra BNC if your company is strictly implemented the data privacy. Just delete this icon if want to use Ultra BNC as spy. Please take note, if you want to control your child computer, just limit or set to standard his profile or user account. I will show how doing it. Right click computer, then hit manage. Right click the profile Mio Vlog TV, then hit properties. Just remove all account in the list. Find the user account and click OK to make the account as a standard user. As a standard user, modification of the system is not allowed. I need to cancel this for now, but in your side, just hit OK so that the changes to be applied. My profile settings still as administrator. I try to use TeamViewer to show you the difference. Imagine this is your child PC and he is currently playing. He knows that someone remote his PC. They can close the TeamViewer connection if they want to. I hope you get my objectives, that you learn how to use the Ultra VNC, and I wish someday this tutorial will help you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. Bye bye.